my lovely friends on YouTube. I am here with another video, Clarissa here. And I have an awesome recipe that you can do at home to soften wrinkles, to hydrate your skin to the maximum. And using this facial mask, it will help to diminish the wrinkles. Also, it will help to retexture, regenerate the top layer of the skin. So stay tuned. But first, I'd like to say thank you so much for your lovely comments. So much love from you guys. Thank you. And I really appreciate it. Like I said in other videos, I pray for each one of you that God will send you blessings, and most of all that He will give you health, divine health, to stay living longer and healthy without illness. So it is possible that you could age in a beautiful way without looking older than you age, and also healthy. So let's start the video. Okay, so this video requires about three items, three ingredients that you already probably have at home. And so we're going to be using a banana, organic banana. Make sure it's the banana ripe, like this one here. So banana and bananas have good sources of vitamins and different minerals, such as copper, manganese, potassium, and vitamins such as biotin, vitamin B6, and other B complex vitamins that are very good for the skin. Bananas are very popular in India, especially for introducing the first solid food to babies. So because it's very digestible, therefore if you apply it on your skin, it's going to absorb very good into your skin. And so bananas have amazing benefits, especially the banana peel has a lot of the nutrients. So we're going to use the inside of the banana and the banana peel. We're going to take the white part of the banana peel and mix it in the paste. And so also bananas helps to whiten the skin. It helps with pigmentation of the skin, and it's good not just for the skin but also for your hair. The second ingredient that we're going to be using, it is organic cold pressed extra virgin coconut oil. I had emphasized the benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to stimulate collagen. Coconut oil helps with pigmentation. Coconut oil is a natural sunscreen. Also, coconut oil is composed of medium chain triglycerides, has powerful antioxidants for the skin. It's an antibacterial, and when you use coconut oil, especially for massaging, it will help to promote collagen, the stimulation of collagen. So if you find the right coconut oil, like I said, organic, cold pressed and unrefined, that's the best way to use it on your hair or skin. Okay, so the third one, it will be organic honey. This is the raw organic honey that I have it here. So you're going to use 1 teaspoon. The coconut oil, you're going to use 1 heaping teaspoon, and the banana, half of the banana. So what you're going to do is mix all the products together. So I am going to mix it here with you. And so you peel the banana, and this white part, we're going to use it. And so we're going to use the half of the banana. Half I'm going to put in this little bowl here. And I'm going to remove the white part of the banana, the inside of the banana, and put it on the bowl. and this has a lot of nutrients. Okay, so also you could use this part of the banana, the inside, the white part of the banana, on your teeth. It helps to whiten your teeth as well. So okay, now we're going to more or less calculate how much coconut oil. I'm using this tiny spatula. I forgot to bring a teaspoon, a measuring teaspoon. So this is a disinfecting wipe that I'm wiping to be able to take the coconut oil from the container. Okay, so I am going to, let's see here, I'm going to more or less, you know, I will calculate 1 heaping teaspoon. Okay, I think I better put this down. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so I got one, yeah, probably a heaping teaspoon, and then I am going to just smash the both ingredients, and later we're going to add the honey. So remember, get the ripe banana, so that way it will be more effective for the treatment. If you want to eat banana, also you eat the ripe banana, the way I showed you a few minutes ago. So it's already all smashed and mixed with the coconut oil, and I am going to tell you that this is edible because the coconut oil that we're using is for internal use and also external use. And so if you take these instead of breakfast with the honey, and you could add bee pollen as well, you don't need breakfast. Take entire banana, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to ingest internally, 1 teaspoon of the honey, and 1 teaspoon of the bee pollen. And this is a mixture that athletes will use it for training. Actually, you know, my mother used to give us, she used to say athletes take you know, bananas and bee pollen and the coconut oil for endurance. And she also used to mix banana with brewer's yeast, and brewer's yeast, let's see here, was banana, brewer's yeast, tomato, and orange juice. She will blend it, and it will give you incredible stamina, because of the brewer's yeast has incredible amounts of amino acids, B-complex vitamins, it protects your DNA, and the tomato loaded of potassium, lutein, all the antioxidants, and the orange juice with the pulp provides you know, antioxidants such as vitamin C, and it is a very beautiful drink that you could use it before you start your morning. So I went kind to a different topic, but I'm just recommending all the benefits of the banana. Okay, so now we're going to add the honey, 1 teaspoon of the honey. And like I said, this mixture, you could also ingest it. Very, very nutritious, very nutritious, without putting so much carbohydrates, and very easy to digest, because a banana has a great content of fiber. So remember, I just mentioned and that in India, the first solid food being introduced to a baby is a banana. So it's all mixed, and exfoliate your skin, and apply this mixture and leave it for 45 minutes to an hour. It's going to help you with pigmentation. It's going to soften the lines, the wrinkles. If you do it on a regular basis, you could do it, this mixture, you could do it every day, and the wrinkles, it's going to soften. You're going to be amazed with the results. And the coconut oil, it's going to help penetrate all the nutrients from the banana and the honey, because coconut oil has the small molecular structure that helps to penetrate nutrients from other ingredients. So this is the video for today, my friends. Okay, 1 second, I forgot to mention also, if you don't have coconut oil, I also recommend the 100% natural fractionated coconut oil. It has the MCT, which is a moisturizing MCT oil for the skin. This is designed for the skin. MCT oil, you could also take it internally, but it's a different bottle that I have. These are used just for my skin. It's a cosmetic oil. So it's very good for hair, massaging the skin. If you don't have coconut oil, then use this oil, the MCT oil fractionated, which is very, very absorbable into the skin because it's already fractionated. And also this provides the medium chain triglycerides, the antioxidants, the fatty acids to help plump the skin. So you're going to have in this recipe, you're going to have the lipids to plump the skin. You're going to have the moisturizing effects of the banana. Banana has a great ability to moisturize the skin, and also the honey, as you know, it's an excellent hydrator, an internal and external hydrator, an antibiotic, an antibacterial. It is mild laxative. It contains so many minerals, vitamins, and enzymes. So this mask is going to be food for your skin, food for your pores. And so let me know the results. I love this mask. I did it before I apply my makeup, and because I had exfoliated my skin the night before, and so I wanted to just have this extra dewy, moisturized skin before I apply my makeup. And so tested, my friends, and you will see the results. Okay, my lovely friends, this is the video for today, but before I close the video, I want to celebrate our lives together by tasting this. Delicious. Go right now to your kitchen, find a banana, coconut oil, and honey. Do the mask, and if you want to ingest, even better. So you treat your body from the inside out. And I'll see you in the next video. You'll be blessed, gorgeous, healthy, and keep in mind that it is possible, like I said in other videos, to control the aging process, to age looking 20 years younger than your age, looking sometimes even 30 years younger, and without the need of plastic surgery, no surgery, and just holistic internal and external care. May the Lord bless you with divine health and provision, and I'll see you in the next video.